Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge marked its 30th anniversary earlier this year. While the film continues to be cherished across generations, one visual detail remains especially unforgettable: the Harley-Davidson jacket worn by Shah Rukh Khan through much of the film, now firmly embedded in popular culture. Over time, the jacket attained iconic status, sparking a fashion obsession that endures even today. Recently, filmmaker Karan Johar, who worked as an assistant director on the film, shared an anecdote about how the legendary jacket was sourced. He revealed that he, along with director Aditya Chopra and fellow assistant Uday Chopra, pooled in money to buy the costly piece, without disclosing its true price to producer and veteran filmmaker Yash Chopra. Karan said, "It was a Harley-Davidson jacket. Adi, Uday and I went together to purchase it. It was a 300-pound jacket in 1994, and now you can estimate how expensive it would be in today's time." He didn't say anything because we told him it cost 50 pounds. We had all decided to lie, and we contributed everything we had to buy it, because otherwise it would have been very difficult to explain that SRK was going to wear it throughout the film, and look at the impact it had. He further shared that since there were no duplicate costumes, he and Uday Chopra would often sleep with the entire outfit, the jacket, red checkered shirt and jeans kept right beside them to ensure nothing went missing. He also recalled a stern warning from Aditya Chopra, who told them that even if a single piece was lost, they would be sent back home, leaving them thoroughly frightened and extra cautious. As DDLJ celebrated its 30-year milestone, the makers marked the occasion by unveiling a life-size bronze statue of Raj and Simran at London's iconic Leicester Square. Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol travelled to the city to attend the special ceremony.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay, I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing, you guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.